That's a cute butterfly. Wait, there is more. Do you want this butterfly fly around your Windows screen to surprise someone? Then follow me.
First read this note.
Click the link in the description. Butterfly on desktop. Download this app. Click download me. Now save. Note, it's not a virus. It's just for fun. Only freeware, no virus malware and toolbars. Click keep it. Now install it. Now follow the process. Okay, now click finish and it will start running. Whoa, you have successfully installed Butterfly on desktop. You can remove these butterflies just by double clicking on its body and it will vanish. Or you can add and clear these butterflies from here. So please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel so that I can make more videos like this. Have fun.